You're going to have to slide over a little bit there because I got to get up right here. I tried to get somebody to help me in my class, and there was supposed to be a guy up there ready to drop the pendulums. Igor, I called him. And then I called for his help, but nothing happened. And it turned out he had fallen asleep up there, and then the arm came over the edge, swinging like that, and it's kind of scary, actually. So I could ask for his help again, but I don't know if he's here anymore. I think maybe he just kind of took off. Igor?
Igor?
Igor, you there? Igor? Nope. He's gone. Oh. Igor? What is... Oh, it's a snake! Snake! Oh, I hate those things. They slither all the time. I gotta get the cable. It's a bell! It's a bell! Those things have rabies.
Read this, please.
I'll do it. Something else happens. Scary. All right, now I got to have a bowling ball. Let's see, what did I do with that thing? It's in the trash. Hold the ball up. Notice how easily I just lift the thing up. This is actually pretty heavy.
Isn't it?
I won't verify this. It's not made out of styrofoam or anything. Yeah, this says Betty on it. So she's still looking for it as far as I know. Okay, I hooked the ball onto the pendulum. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure the length. That's what I got to do to predict the time for a swing. I got to measure the length. You remember the formula, I trust. T is 2 pi square root of, there it is, the length over G. Okay, now, how does this go again? Got to go from where it hangs right there, the top of my finger. That's 100 centimeters. This here is another 100, and I'm still not to the middle of the ball. Okay, it's the top of my thumb. Now I got to go from the middle to my thumb. Looks like that's about, what, 59 centimeters? Yes. Okay, I got 259 centimeters. I'm going to need help here from some kind soul out there for calculating this. This is, what did I say, 259? And the G number, since I'm in centimeters, I have to have the 981. For pi, you can take 3.14. Can somebody tell me what that calculates to?
3.23.
3.2 what?
3.
3?
Yep.
Exactly?
Yep. Exactly.
3.23, and if you work the words through, that would be seconds. So that's how long a swing takes, provided you don't have it at too big of an angle. Watch yourself here. Okay.
Looks like it's gonna hit me.
Now, this angle isn't too extravagant, is it? All right. Now, 3.23 seconds over and back again. Perfect, perfect. It came out exactly. And so there you have proof that it works. All right, so you don't believe me. I got a way of showing this so that everybody will believe me for sure. I got a way of showing. For this to show, I have to erase this up here. And I'm going to use this clock that I used last semester when we found out how much power there was in somebody's arm. This clock right here. This clock has to be plugged in. And then I've got a switch here, starts and stops it. The clock right here. Yes. Now I'd like to stop the clock when the hand gets up there to 60. Almost missed it. It wasn't quite perfect. It wasn't quite. I'd like it to be perfect. Hey, you went to the 100th of a second to give me the time, so I like the clock to be perfect. Now, here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking if I did just one swing, for me to start and stop the clock perfectly might be kind of hard. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it take 10 swings. 1, 2, like that. 10 swings. So if one swing is 32.3,
32.3.
pardon me for interrupting your train of thought. I have to get ready. Yeah! Yeah, that's correct. 10 swings, the second hand will come up to 32.3, which is about in here. Can you all see that? I'll highlight this in red. All right, here's where my chair comes in. What I do is I sit down, I'm going to pull the ball back. Okay, now I'll try to start it and stop it perfectly without looking at the clock. That was one swing right there, by the way. No, it's 2. This is 3. That was 4. 5. Look at how I count with a 6 without even looking at the ball. 7. This is 8, right? Or did I miss it? This is 9. Okay, I got to get ready. I'll do my best.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. 32.3. Perfect. I drew it on the whiteboard. Do you trust the formula? Okay, now remember how I said the formula wasn't going to be perfect because the back and forth was really not a straight line, it was a slight curve. But the formula is going to do pretty good for us. Pretty good, I say. we're gonna have a lab with it on Monday.